If you want to instantly upgrade your room's look and improve sound quality at the same time, this might be one of the easiest DIY upgrades you can make. Today I'm reviewing the NeatiEase wood slat acoustic wall panels in the teak finish. They promise modern design and sound absorption, but do they actually work? Let's find out. This set includes 4 wood slat panels. Each panel measures 96 inches by 12.6 inches. Pre-assembled slats with acoustic backing. When combined, they cover a decent section of wall space, perfect for a feature wall, TV backdrop, home office, or studio setup. The teak finish gives it that warm, modern, Scandinavian-inspired look. Visually, these panels look premium. The wood slats are evenly spaced and mounted on a black acoustic felt backing. That contrast between the wood tone and dark backing gives it a high-end, custom-installed appearance. The panels feel sturdy but lightweight enough for manageable installation. This is the type of decor you usually see in luxury offices, YouTube studios, or modern living rooms. Now let's talk about sound. These are acoustic wall panels designed to help reduce echo and improve sound clarity inside a room. They're not fully soundproof, meaning they won't completely block outside noise, but they do help reduce echo, improve room acoustics, minimize reverb, enhance voice recording quality. If you create content, record podcasts, or take Zoom calls, you'll likely notice cleaner sound inside the room. Installation is fairly straightforward. You can install them using screws directly into studs, wall anchors, or construction adhesive for simpler setups. Because each panel is tall at 96 inches, having a second person helps during mounting. Once installed, they sit flush and give a seamless vertical slat appearance. It's definitely a DIY-friendly project for most homeowners. These panels work great for home offices, content creator studios, living room accent walls, bedroom feature walls, podcast setups, gaming rooms. They add texture, depth, and a professional look without requiring a full remodel. Overall, the NeatiEase wood slat acoustic panels are a strong option if you want to upgrade both style and sound in your space. They won't completely block outside noise, but they will improve room acoustics and dramatically enhance visual appeal. If you're looking for an easy interior upgrade that makes your room look like a professional studio, this is worth considering. Check the link below for current pricing and availability. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you'd install these panels.